Felix came out of nowhere behind me. I don't know where he was, back there somewhere, and ran full tilt right up into the tree. This is not his usual tree. This is the other tree. And he ran it without hesitation up that high. What is he, 12 feet off the ground? 10 feet? And he was, I think, chasing a bird. I'm not sure, but he ran full tilt. Of course, the sun's right behind him, so videography is a bit difficult. But I think you can see him. He's debating his next move now. He's saying, "Now, what are you doing talking about me? Just leave me be, I'm fine." He's coming towards me on a little limb. The limb's smaller than his foreleg. Oh, back it up. Wish the lighting was better. He is on a small limb. And as he comes out further, the limb gets smaller. Now he's a good, I'd say he's 15 feet maybe off the ground. If he was to come down to the ground from there, that would be quite a thump. Oops. He did fairly well to get turned around on that small limb. Getting back towards the trunk now. And there's a bird right there. And there's another bird right up here. He's right in the midst of them. Those birds are terrorizing him. One on one side, one on the other. Hard to video, but one of them just flew off. Just above him, trying to get him to fly upwards, to climb upwards. Oh, what it's like to be a kitten. God bless.